about combination. But somehow. And the worst part of it is that she doesn't even know what she's doing. Idea exactly like on idea committee no government is at work. We don't know any shit about what is going on. But when it does it, but I like it's kind of irritating, I don't know. The woman need the help. I think I would say that. We need a very, 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 very big. Even now, sometimes I just pity her. Sometimes even her program sometimes are they annoying. Like like somebody like positive vibes, and every time all about you is about negativity instead of you bringing up suggestion how we are going to move forward. Every time you're looking for fault, every little small thing, a mother, at least a friend of yours, every time it's all about the negative part of the whole thing. Like it's also so negative enough. Only good thing if we go na this struggle or whatever. I don't think even if we can this woman we can anything, but due to how stupid the mind the woman or something, but for non the nursery school for and what is actually going on. That now I know the problem actually is coming from. But that is very, very sad because she could have been a kind of an engine house to this struggle. But to God be the glory as it's happening now, and at least but for me, I would say she's sick. She is sick because a normal person doesn't actually behave like that. And you can actually trust that kind of person. When you you come na tata and audio, I believe you with all my heart, and all of a sudden it was 360 again. So what of all when I say now jump no way well because actually jump sorry man I do the other kind of thing. But it's so bad. Thank you very much, man.
Thank you, my brother.
God bless
you. Thank you so much. Thank you for your contribution. No cooking the very best. Are you there?
Yeah, I am.
So, did you listen to the part of Ogenkere making his outlining his achievements? Can you tell me what did you understand from that? If I don't know if you listen to that part.
No, I would have loved to actually, but I came back late. So your program was actually about finishing or something like that. I would have, because I wanted to ask why is it not for once? Okay, I'm not going to for question and answer whatever.
No,
because the DM have been coming all the time.
He did not answer
for once.
Listen, my brother, listen. He did not answer any question. He's just willingly recorded himself because he claimed that, I don't know, is it a UK town hall meeting or something like that? So he tried to play France his achievement. Anyway, I'm gonna play it again. But just for your own, for you to have the knowledge anyway, not for you to contribute, because we have spent 2 hours plus here. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. God bless you. I'll see you again. Have a wonderful day.
All right, you too.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. So we are going to this our brother. You get Jesus out of that. This is our brother. Guy in a south. Guy in a Bongoria. Now what I can end. Give him. Now, I'm call again. The way he's a pump on a touch.
Adam, pump.
Hey, in a Baduka Naja, one mother. In a Baduka. Okay. Oh, well honored. You're welcome.
Thank you, my brother.
Thank you.
I try you. I honestly speaking, some people that try you.
Oh my goodness.